Good morning and happy Wednesday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red, and which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag, and let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, it is now time for recitation. And remember, the very first thing we must do is the title and the author. And our hands are at our sides, in our pockets, or behind our backs. And our eyes are on the audience, and the audience's eyes are on you. Excellent. And friends, what kind of voice should we have? Correct again, a normal voice that is projected. And with saying that, let's go ahead and do our December recitation. 100 ripples, author unknown. Drop a stone into the water. In a moment, it is gone. But there are 100 ripples circling on and on and on. Say an unkind word this moment. In a moment, it is gone. But there are 100 ripples circling on and on and on. Say a word of cheer and splendor. In a moment, it is gone. But there are 100 ripples circling on and on and on. Great job, friends. And remember yesterday when I introduced our recitation, I let you know that we have a little over 2 weeks to practice it, but for you not to worry because there are a lot of words that repeat themselves, and there's only a few words that you have to actually really memorize and change. Okay, so I don't want anyone freaking out on that. All right. All righty, friends. So here we go. It is time for morning meeting, and let's go ahead and see who today's student of the day will be. So yesterday we had, who was student of the day yesterday? Oh, Ruby, it was you. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so let's see. Today's student of the day is Corwin Brooks. So if Corwin was here, Corwin would come on down. She would, of course, turn the clock to morning. And then, of course, Corwin would write her first and last name, but because Corwin isn't here, Mrs. Harrow will go ahead and write that for her. Okay. Corwin. Okay, so B. I have to write a little small, friends, so that I can fit her whole name on here. All right. Then Mrs. Harrow would give Corwin her Student of the Day sticker, and she would get a pointer, and Mrs. Harrow would say, all right, young lady, you are on. And Corwin would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this is called a month. And what month are we in? December. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday was Tuesday, then that means that today is Wednesday, but let's just double check with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And friends, how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. Let's go ahead and recite our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And let's go ahead and count our months of the year ordinally. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. And remember, we talked about yesterday that December is the last month in the year. So friends, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's count and see what it is. 1, 2. Now, do we know what our pattern is? Not yet, right? So we don't know if it's going to be an AB or if it's going to be an ABB or an ABC. We don't know quite yet. But what we do know is that this is a what type of shape is that? Yep, that is a rectangle. And so today's shape is a triangle. So far we do know that it is an AB pattern so far because we have a rectangle and a triangle. So hopefully by tomorrow we may know what type of pattern we're going to be using this month, right? All right, so let's go ahead and help Corwin spell and write the month. So let's help her with the letters in the month of December. Very first letter is uppercase D, E, good job friends, C, E, and don't forget your monkey tails, my friends, B, E, and finally R, December. And then we're going to finger space. And what digit am I writing today? Yeah, a 2 followed by a comma. Is a comma a number? No, it is a space. And let's go ahead and write the year. Please give me the digits. Okay, 2, 0, 2, and a 0. Now really quickly, I want us to go over looking at today's date. Notice how my capital letter starts from the top, goes all the way down to the bottom. All of the lowercase letters are written underneath the dotted line. My numbers start at the top and go all the way to the bottom. So this month we are practicing super duper hard on staying in the lines and trying to omit having floating letters or numbers. All right, so let's go ahead and read today's date with Corwin. Today's date is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 73 days, what would today be? Well, let's start. How about we start counting at 70? 70, 71, 72, 73, 70, 74. Go ahead and help me draw out Mr. Tens and Mrs. Ones. And remember, I'm just going to keep drawing them out. So you have to tell me when to stop. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, all right. Now let's go ahead and draw out Mrs. Ones. 71, 72, 73, 74. All right, so let's go ahead and graph our number of days we've been in school. Let's go ahead and graph that on our days in school graph. So are we going to add anything in our 100ths column? Nope. How about in our tens column? Well, let's see, friends. We have many here. Wow. All right, so really quickly. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Plus 1 more is 7. Very good. All right. So we're going to write a 7 right here. And now let's look at Mrs. Ones. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. But what if I did this? What if I did 0 plus 4? What is 0 plus 4? 4. What is 3 plus 1? 4. What about 1 plus 3? 4. Very good. All right, so our days in school graph reads 74. Let's see if our days in school tag matches. So do we have 7 Mr. Tens? How about 4 Mrs. Ones? So how many days have we been in school? 74. That is a whole lot of days, my friends. Alrighty, let's go ahead and move on to coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. Now, the very first coin we have is a penny, and a penny is worth, correct, 1 cent. And when we count pennies, we count them by ones. And the second coin we have is our dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents. And when we count dimes, we count them by tens. Now, which coin would we start with? Which one would we count first? Yeah, we'd start with a dime because the dime is what? It's worth more. It's worth 10 cents. So as I drop my dimes into my coin cup, you're going to count with me. And remember, when I switch coins, I'm going to show you the coin. That way we know we have to switch our counting. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36 cents. So let's go ahead and write 36 cents in our coin cup. And how do I write 36 cents, Reese? Okay, Reese says a 3 and a 6. Is that correct, Reese? You are correct, my friend. I am so sorry. You are correct. I forgot that cent sign, friends. Without that cent sign, our answer would be incorrect. Now, let's just double check that what's in our coin cup is on our meeting board. So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 cents. So not only does our coin cup have that amount, but so does our meeting board. Great job. It is time for our mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. And please go ahead and turn on those morning brains and listen to our clue. So today, my friends, in my mystery bag, I first placed 2 green linking cubes. So picture 2 green linking cubes in your mystery bag. I then placed 7 blue linking cubes in my mystery bag. Now I will take 2 green pattern blocks out of the bag. I want to know how many green how many green linking cubes are in my bag. So listen again. Today, in my mystery bag, I first placed 2 green linking cubes. So think about that. I then placed 7 blue linking cubes in my mystery bag. I then removed 2 green linking cubes. I want to know how many green linking cubes are in my mystery bag. Slaka, what do you think? How many are left in my bag? Slaka says 0. Thumbs up if you think Slaka is correct. I don't know. Let's see. I have 7 blue linking cubes. There's nothing else in there. So was Slaka correct? Please give Slaka a round of applause. Woo! Great job, young lady. That is correct because 2 minus 0 equals what? 2. So if I had 2 and I took those 2 out, so 2 minus 2 equals 0. Excellent, my friends. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and let's look at our counting strips. And today we're going to start off. Let's go ahead and do our odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Very, very good. Counting by 5s. Here we go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Counting by 10s. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent. All righty, my cheerleaders. Let me see your energy. And remember, we need to see very, very energetic cheerleaders that will keep us going. We're going to count by 2. So is everybody ready? Cheerleaders, ready? Listos? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Who do we appreciate? Don't forget you have to jump for me. Kindergartners, yay, kindergartners. That was fantastic, my friends. Now before we sign off for the day, let's go ahead and sing our coin song. So everybody, please get your beautiful voices ready. And here we go. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter's 25. And a dollar is 100. cents. Very, very good. Oh, I almost forgot, friends. Today's pattern. It looks like somebody started a pattern and left it unfinished. So let's read and see what we have. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. How are we counting? Gwen, how are we counting if it's 1, 3, 5? Correct, we're counting by odds. So 1, 3, 5. What if I didn't know what follows? Well, we could always revert back to our number line. And look here, friends. If we are at 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill that in. 1, 3, 5, 7. All right, go back. 1, 3, 5, 7. 9. Go back. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 11. Excellent. Great job. I love how you remembered that our odd numbers will always end in a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, or a 9. Always, always, always. Alrighty, friends. Today when we meet for Morning Live, please be sure that you bring your clocks with you. Also bring your whiteboards. Okay? I will see you in just a little bit, friends. Bye.